Alright, so let's try this proxy server. So what we have here on the left is a demo client to communicate with the proxy server. You can run commands from this drop-down like block account. And we need the proxy server, so let's start that up by running node. And we got some configurations here for the token service and some other settings. So let's try to do a server request here for the block count. We'll respond like this. You can also see some logging happening over here. And we can change this if we like. We also support price action, for example. You can also select that over here. And for each command we run here, we use some requests allowed per day. For example, 1000 per day. That's configurable. But if we need to use more, we could also buy tokens to use. So let's try that. Let's buy 10 tokens, and we can see the price here. If you want to buy more tokens, we can just change like that over here. And we get some address here, pay 0.0091 nano. So we can copy this. So this is on the beta network. That's why we need to do this manually here. We'll send to this account 10 nano, like that. And payment completed for 10 tokens. So now we have this request key. You can copy that and paste it here. So now we can do the same action but using the request key, and we'll get more tokens to use. If we do like that, we can also see here the token was used. And we can find the total tokens left down here. We have 9 left. So if we do block count again, we also get that here, 8 tokens. We can use them like that. Now we don't have any more tokens, but we can still use the free request if we like. And we also have this equivalent get request here. You can just press that. So it will look like this. And that can also be done with curl. For example, a post request can be made like this, or a get request. And if we like to refill the token, we could just paste it here and buy again, and it will fill up the same request key. I don't know if I still have that. Yes, we can check the status, 0 left. And we can, for example, buy more here. So let's do that one more time. Like that. Okay, thank you.